Hi folks, I'm Nick DeYoung at Kasurik Ford Lincoln in Wausau. It's Walk Around Wednesday, the day of the week where we highlight certain features on a vehicle to make your purchasing options that much easier. This week we're on a 2019 Lincoln MKZ. We're going to be highlighting Lincoln's auto hold feature. Stay tuned, it's going to be interesting. Lincoln's auto hold feature makes driving in bumper-to-bumper traffic much more pleasurable. Whenever you come to a stoplight or a complete stop, the feature allows you to take your foot off the brake pedal without having to worry about your car rolling forward. It actually holds it in place. Now, in order to use the feature, you want to make sure your seatbelt is buckled and you don't have a door ajar, otherwise it won't work. I'm just going to press the auto hold button on the dash. It'll light up saying that it's on, and I'm going to shift into drive. Now, if you notice, the vehicle is in drive. I'm going to take my foot off the brake, and we are just sitting here. Auto hold will light up on the dash, and it just holds you in place. You don't have to worry about holding your foot on the brake pedal, or if you're in a traffic jam, it just makes it that much easier. To turn it off, all you have to do is step on the gas pedal, and you automatically start to move forward. And then again, when I come to a complete stop here, auto hold will turn on once again, allowing me to take my foot off the brake pedal. Now, it won't hold you there forever. There is a set amount of time. If you do have it on for an extended period of time, or let's say you leave the vehicle while it's in drive and auto hold will shut off, but the electronic parking brake will turn on in order to hold the vehicle there for you indefinitely. You turn it off the exact same way. It has driveway disengage. You step on the gas pedal and you're ready to go. So again, we have auto hold on. I'm going to step on the gas. Allows you to come to a stop and you don't have to worry about your vehicle rolling forward while you're in drive. Folks, I hope this video helped you. It's been Walk Around Wednesday. If you need anything, feel free to stop by Kasurik Ford Lincoln at any time. We'll help you pick out your vehicle. If you liked what you saw today, remember to hit the like button at the bottom of the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kasurik Ford Lincoln. Until next week, I'm Nick DeYoung. Take care.